Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very well. So I am going to start one new series of Appian. So this is basically for people who are starting to work in Appian or they want to learn. So I'm going to start a series for Appian for beginners. And a- basically what is Appian? Like Appian is a low-code tool. Nowadays, most of the organizations are opting for Appian developed solutions. So with this is low-code tool. So with this Appian platform, uh, developers can deliver Appian-based applications in very less amount of time. And Appian, how you can learn it, like you can register for Appian community using sign in or register. So you can create an account and you can access the developer playground here. So, and apart from that, you can see here, uh, you can get some hands-on exercises also if you click register here. So you can access it free. There is Appian Academy also. You can start learning from here also. And once you have some hands-on experience, you can also explore certification program. There are different types of certification like associate, developer, senior developer, and tech lead developer. So you can also visit those as well. And so I will start Appian series in coming days. So please do subscribe my channel so that it will give me motivation to start the series and I will be more motivated to bring more such videos. Thank you.